Traffic accidents are not only a human story, but also seriously affect animals, creatures that are not aware of the dangers of the streets with wild instincts. They often appear suddenly, leaving drivers unable to react, leading to heartbreaking collisions. In today's video, we will take you through terrifying moments when animals face cars on the road, captured realistically through a camera lens. Don't forget to click subscribe so we can continue to send you great content like this, helping you drive safer. Let's get started. Which party will be at fault in this? Took off like a rocket. It was disastrous for the sheep. The Jeep was moving at 60 miles per hour, and with the sudden appearance of the moose, a collision was inevitable. So the flying car owner lost $5,000. In another scene, a car was trying to overtake when out of nowhere a herd of buffalo charged across the road. The aftermath, well, it looked like this. I mean, seriously, how on earth did it even manage to squeeze in there? A snake was. Risking its life crossing the road while many cars were moving. Luckily, the tire just grazed its head. Those who escape death often live a long life. The Harley rider had no idea what was waiting for him, but what he didn't expect was a deer running straight at him. Holy hog, did anyone count how many times that thing rolled? Lucky for it, the hug walked away like nothing happened. Pitch black night, a car speeding through the darkness. Then suddenly, out of the shadows, an entire herd of than 100 deer surging in the opposite direction, their eyes glowing in the headlights, their silent forms cutting through the night. It's like something out of a nightmare. Holy Texans are reminded not to leave the city at 2 a.m., as that is when feral pigs are most active on average. There are about 45 such encounters each year. Oh, Tesla collided with a deer, racking up $9,000 in damage. It leaves many wondering, why don't drivers spot these animals in time? A driver escaped serious injury after an overnight collision with a deer on the Southern Shore Highway near Bay. Bull's Big Pond. This is a warning that the government needs to quickly install signal lights in areas with high traffic density to prevent similar accidents in the future. Loose dogs can sometimes become an unexpected danger to motorbike riders. Music. And look, that man doesn't seem to notice anything unusual. Wait a second. He's finally realized his wife is missing. A surprising situation after a collision with a loose dog caused his wife to be thrown from the car without him even knowing. In this situation, suddenly a cow rushed up from the bottom of the slope. Before the car could react, the cow was hit and thrown out. A motorcyclist, riding in the opposite direction, was kicked by a cow, a half-laughable situation. And the state of Maine collisions between vehicles and moose account for 30% of all similar accidents nationwide. Music. Although the annual cost of damages is not specified, looking at the condition of the damaged car is enough to see the severity of the incident. A Ducati Monster 696 hit a deer. While traveling at 50 miles per hour, what do you think the repair cost will be? And in this case, did the driver fail to see the bear, or did the bear fail to see the driver? The incident in Colorado has highlighted the importance of constructing barriers to protect wildlife from wandering onto roads, thereby preventing potentially serious accidents. During a breathtaking supercar race, an unexpected incident stunned the entire audience. The wild deer suddenly rushed straight into the racer's accelerating car. The horrifying moment was completely recorded by the dash cam from the car behind, when everything shot into the air like an explosion, leaving an unforgettable mark for the driver behind. The collision reached a speed of nearly 200 kilometers per hour. With experience, the racer handled the situation well. Fortunately, there was no loss of life, and the deer returned to the arms of the Lord. Why are there so many deer in the track? The bus is cruising along when suddenly a deer comes crashing into the windshield, and bam, it falls right into the bus. Pretty strong stab right. It's freaking out, scrambling to find a way. Music out. Each year in the United States, there are about 30,000 collisions between wildlife and vehicles, causing damage of up to $1 billion. Bison, with their huge strength and size, are one of the most dangerous animals on the road. Although they are very fast and powerful, encountering them on the road is a magnificent sight, but also full of risks. When bison appears, all vehicles must stop, reminding us of the harmony between nature and modern life. While they can test a driver's patience, they